All right, so number 45 is talking about Jeff can weed a garden in 4 hours. So we're given the rate of Jeff is one garden for every 4 hours, and then his wife works at the same rate. So that's also 1/4. Um, and then it gives a scenario that says after they work together for an hour, their son then helps them finished. Sorry, helps them finish. So there's a remaining amount, and it only takes 30 minutes for the three of them to work together and finish. So I guess we don't know the rate of the sun. Let's call that R. So let's just say let R be the rate of the sun. Okay, so we've established that. Let's talk about how much is remaining before the sun joins them. So I'm just going to make a side note here, remaining. Okay, so the remaining amount, I guess they work for 1 hour. So let me just, I don't know what happened here. So they work for an hour together. So they're going to work 1 times 1/4, 1 times 1/4. So 1 minus the combined work that they do together. Okay, so it's a fourth plus a fourth, which is actually a half, right? How did I get a fourth? 1 hour times 1/4. So rate times time is a fourth. The wife and Jeff both do the same amount. So that is just going to be a half remaining. Half is remaining. Okay. So that's fine. Got that. Let's see. So there's half remaining, and then the sun comes and joins them. So we've got to combine their work. Let's talk about that work all together. So we got the sun's work plus Jeff's work plus the wife's work. That's going to be equal to a half of the garden, okay? And it takes them how long? It takes them 30 minutes, so that's only half, right? That's the time that we have. Sorry. So half an hour. So that means that the work done is just an eighth from Jeff, an eighth from the wife, and then the sun is going to be R over 2. So we've got to add those up. So R over 2 plus an eighth plus another eighth is equal to a half. So what is the, you know what, I can combine those. So I can say that's a quarter. So that might make just things a little bit more simple. All right, let's do that. So now I can multiply by 2, everything by 2 to clear those fractions out. Let's do that. Okay, so multiply everything by 2. Oh, that's not going to work. Sorry. Got to multiply everything by 4. So the lowest common multiple of the denominators. What happened to my pen? Where am I writing? Oops, there. Sometimes it's hard to see. Okay, so lowest common denominator equals 4. Let's times everything by 4. And we'll get rid of that fraction. So here we got 2. And here undoes the division. And we've got 2 here. So we've got 2r plus 1 is equal to 2. So 2r is equal to 1. So r is equal to 1/2. So that means that it takes it takes 2 days to do the garden. So actually the sun works at twice the rate. So the sun can finish a garden in 2 days. Actually, that's 2 hours, sorry, 2 hours. So it's 2 hours, let's fix that. Make a note, let's use a different color, 2 hours. All right.